Yeah, it's only a little bit warm here. It's not hot. 8 feet of pipe away, and you could hold your hand here all day. And it's just a murmur coming out of this exhaust vent here. So this is a follow-up to the video I did on my new Honda EU7000iS generator. I finally got it configured the way I plan to use it in my garage to protect it from the weather when I need to use it, and with an 8-foot flexible pipe going to a through-the-wall port. I purchased this attachment that allows, this is a screw coupling here, so the pipe screws on to this fitting. There's a little bit of exhaust coming out of here. It's not a complete seal the way I've got it. I have to investigate that and figure out where the exhaust is actually coming from. I think it's squirting out of here. I don't think I have that completely sealed. Either the seal here is not 100%. I'll have to look into that. And this is a double wall fitting here. So the inner pipe is where the exhaust is going, and the outer pipe, this has been running for several minutes and it's not even warm. It's doing a good job of insulating it, whereas the pipe here, I wouldn't want to hold on to it. It's pretty warm, but here it's completely different. And then on the outside, I have my siding formed around. This is a big block of PVC or something like that. It's like 3/4 inch thick. And behind the vinyl siding is the original siding, which is just the exterior plywood of the garage. But it's one of those things where it was configured in the mill to look like boards. It doesn't matter. This is bolted on with lag screws, stainless steel ones, through this and into the wooden cladding of the garage, the wooden side of the garage. So we have, again, warm exhaust, but it's no longer hot at this point. Can hold my hand there very easily. So once I tighten that up, and I only put that on there very loosely for this test, I could have screwed it on more firmly, and I'm sure it would have made a difference with the leakage I'm getting there. So that's with the garage door closed. I can barely hear the generator at all. All I'm really hearing is the babbling of the exhaust coming out the side there. Now, if assuming I got the pipe screwed on all the way so there's no leakage, I probably could run it in here for extended periods, but to be safe, I would open the garage door and stop it at some point, so there's some air circulation and it keeps the weather off. Keep the door low enough where I don't have to worry about somebody stealing the thing. I can lock it in that position. screwed this on firmly now, and I still have the same amount of air blowing. I realize that there's also a lot of air blowing out of here, and this is quite warm. It's the same temperature as what I'm feeling down here. So I think what's actually happening is this is not exhaust leaking here. This is just the cooling for the muffler and other exhaust components that are behind this shroud, and some of the air is coming out these vents and some is coming out around here. So that isn't exhaust leaking, it's just air from the cooling fan blowing out this hole here.